Hey everyone, thanks for listening to the Grow Your Life podcast. My name is Jeremiah Krakowski. On this podcast, I help coaches, mentors, trainers, service providers get more leads, make more money online, and get the results that they want. I show you how to use artificial intelligence to help augment your own work and how to still keep the personal touch that you're wanting, that you love, and that produces the results for you. Now, today, we're going to talk about using AI to get more leads. AI is not new. AI is here to stay. And so what we're going to start doing from here on out is start treating AI the same way that we would Microsoft Word. You know, using computers, Microsoft Word, email, those were new technologies in the 1990s. And people were just like resistant of them. Shopping online was seen as taboo and things like that. The internet was seen as only a way to get pornography for the longest time. And AI has kind of been taboo in many spaces for the last 5 years. I've been using AI for almost 5 years now, since GPT-3, and I've been learning how to use it the right way. We use it in every single aspect of our business and with all of our clients. And so I want to show you, why I think that it's important to use it. It's a tool just like email. It's a tool just like Microsoft Word for you to get the results that you want. But what I use it for the most is for generating leads and for getting more clients in my business. When I'm actually delivering content, it's still me talking, it's still me streaming, it's still me sharing. This is not an AI avatar of me talking to you right now. This is actually me talking. But what I do to generate leads is I use it to come up with ideas for how to communicate in a way that's going to connect with my prospects. So when it comes to generating leads, everybody out there in the business world is competing for your customers' attention. Your customers exist. Your clients exist. But there are a bunch of other people competing for their attention. And all of them that are succeeding, I know this for a fact because I've talked with them, are using artificial intelligence. They are using AI to get more customers and more clients. And so how do they do this? Well, they do it by figuring out how to communicate better with their prospects. Right now, artificial intelligence is a great communications tool, is what it is. It allows you to take your ideas, your goals, and filter it in a way that communicates faster and better with the people that you're looking for. So what we look at is, if we go over to ChatGPT, it's one of the, currently as of today, it's the best AI that's out there. ChatGPT actually just launched their brand new GPT-5 right here, which is amazing. At the time of this recording, this just launched yesterday, and we're actually really loving it for what we're doing. We used it for emails, we use it for blog posts, we use it for content creation, we use it to come up with our lead magnets. And so again, what can you do for this? Well, first off, again, I show people all the time, you can use it to help me identify the best niches to make a lead magnet on Facebook and Instagram, and it can give you these ideas. By the way, the new GPT-5 is way faster than anything else that's out there. This is actually pulling from some of my own stuff that we've created with clients. In fact, some of these ideas for stuff that we've helped people with. So this is actually pulling some of those ideas up for certain niches based on my own usage of ChatGPT. So let's say that you help special needs parenting. Generate for me a complete marketing plan to get more leads using social media for this niche. And this is really what you can do now with GPT-5, is you can just ask it to come up with a big picture idea, and it will now start to generate you little picture ideas for each level right here. So it's talking about generating, who's your audience, the core strategy. We're going to use ads to a lead magnet, get people on your email list, and then a conversion offer, which is, again, how I would do it exactly. The Calm Corner Toolkit, 7-day sensory routine, communication breakthrough guide. I actually like this right here. Okay. Generate me an outline of the communication breakthrough guide So this is where we come up with an idea for our lead magnet. Now the AI can help us come up with an outline for what that looks like. And then this is where you could filter your own content into here. There's a great tool that I use called Otter AI, which transcribes all of my content that we use with our clients. It automatically takes all of our Zoom calls and brings them in here. This is with one of our clients that we worked with for stocks and women's mentoring right here. As well, if you don't want to pay money for Otter AI, you can always go to YouTube, upload your video to YouTube, any video that you upload to YouTube.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to the...
We'll have a transcript attached to it. You can find the transcript by clicking over here, going to More, scrolling down, and you will find transcript. You can turn off the timestamps right here, and now you can copy a transcript from any video on YouTube. And then you just paste that right into your AI right here. So let's say I want to start a new chat and I want to say generate me a marketing plan for a lead magnet based on this transcript's content. I'm going to paste the transcript right here from a video that I already created. And it's going to come up with a lead magnet around this. It says, okay, 30-minute training, the art of lead getting, turn your email list into a client getting machine, which is exactly lead magnet that we recently launched, which is amazing. Get 1,000 subscribers in 30 minutes with a big following, without a big following. And in fact, that is a brand new lead magnet that we launched right here already. The art of lead getting, how to get 1,000 subscribers in 30 minutes. So the AI is already picking up on that from a video transcript and the content that we have created right there. Let's go back to our original lead magnet right here. And let's say generate me some sales copy for a landing page. Use all best practices for sales copywriting, including the PAS ADA framework and Epiphany Bridge as your foundation for writing. Okay, so we're just going to kind of come up with that right here. So we have our hook, we have our subheadline, we have our different sections, and the battles of 10 word-for-word scripts, 10 word-for-word scripts to calm the power struggle with your child. Parenting a neurodivergent child isn't like the books say. These 10 ready scripts give you instant calming words for the hardest moments. Does this sound familiar? You ask your child to do something, it turns into stand off. It can be exhausting. The worst part every day feels like the same struggle. Here we're amplifying it. I used to believe it was just explained better, more firmer. And so you would literally take this and just put this into a framework right here. The beauty is we used to have to do this with multiple prompts. Now with GPT-5, it's literally doing it with one prompt where it's pulling all of this into, and this would be actually good enough for a landing page that we would do right there. And now what we do is we want to create that into a landing page. You have a few options to do this. You can use Squarespace to put a page together. Squarespace has their own Squarespace AI that can generate landing pages for you. You click Get Started here on Squarespace. You tell it, okay, we're going to be doing consulting. That's probably one of the better ones that we do right here. We're going to build a community, get appointments, sell memberships, build a template with Blueprint AI right here. And then here we go, is it generated us a template for a website right there. Let's see what we can do. Brand personality. We'll do this right here. Next. And so as soon as it's creating content, we have our intro section, form section, footer section, services, appointments. There you go. Pages, we have about, contact. You can throw a course page in there if we want. Colors are a little bland. Let's pull in one of these better colors. I kind of like this one right here. we go. We can change the fonts. So it's really cool is how it lets you kind of go in here and tweak this. And now you have a whole site built using AI that you can put your content into, create your lead magnets. Right here, built right into Squarespace. We can go under Pages. We can create a brand new page right here. Navigation. Let's check out a page layout right here. Probably something for, let's see, a general page. This one's pretty good. We're going to use this page. We can then edit this, tweak this, adjust it. You can add sections. Look, they have templated sections right here. So you could go in and you could add, you know, a different header. You can add in contact, about, product, service portfolio, things like that. And you can kind of model and create the different kinds of sections, or just a blank section where you can throw some text in. This would be a blank section here. We could change the color of the section. And so that's the beauty of using Squarespace, is you could literally create sections, put a landing page together very quickly that way. Now, once we have that all put together, we have our sales copy put together over in ChatGPT. We could then go in and generate our marketing materials. We could generate our marketing content. We could generate our lead magnet copy. We could say, generate me 5 versions of PAS copy. I'll show you this on screen here. So PAS copy is problem, agitate, solution. I'll generate 5 versions, and I'll say convert those 5 versions into written Facebook ads copy. And you can see we're 12 minutes in, and we've already created the marketing materials to generate a lead magnet that you could use to go out there to generate leads, get clients, and make the kind of money that you want in your business. Right now it's thinking about this. That's one of the things that GPT-5 does, is that it will think. There is also a GPT-5 thinking model right here, which is great. Let's actually stop this and send it again with the GPT-5 thinking model and see what this generates. GPT-5 thinking is going to be really good for coming up with more complex tasks. You got the GPT-5 model, you got GPT-5 thinking. Okay. Here's the text right here for an ad. Daily shoe fights, homework standoffs. When every request turns into a battle, it's draining. Get 10 word-for-word scripts that calm tense moments fast. Feel like you're tiptoeing to avoid meltdowns. Leaving the playground shouldn't be a public showdown. Like, this is great. This is awesome for that topic that we're doing. Now, let's say that you're not creating something that's necessarily for this niche. You can steer it. You can direct ChatGPT. We're going to go back to GPT-5 to do this. We're going to say, I want this to be focused more on teenagers. Okay? I'll adapt these more towards teenagers. Every conversation is a debate. Every request feels like walking into a storm. If you're raising a teen with autism, ADHD, or sensory activities, you know how quickly they can spiral. Okay? So this could be ads that you can create. Generate me 10 versions of social media content ideas for this niche to promote my lead magnet. And this is, again, what ChatGPT can do. It can literally go through and generate you ideas for different pieces of content. POV style, acting as a parent, knocking on a bedroom, showing script subtitles. This is just one script. Get the full set for free. Let's take this right here, map out this entire social media content. So we're going to tell it, okay, like this doesn't give us much ideas, but we can tell it to expand upon it and give us more ideas as far as this goes. when your teen is in a mood, hey, you seem upset. I want to talk. I want to talk now or later. Opening the door, later's fine. Okay. I'm here when you're ready. You could literally just show like you talking and the script is on screen with some music. And this would actually be a great social media content right here. Great piece of content for an Instagram reel. So again, you can see using AI allows you to generate content, come up with ways to generate leads, and if you're a coach, if you're a mentor, if you're a service provider, it's one of the best ways to find people that need what you offer. Now, ultimately, you're going to have to learn how to take those people and sell to them. Just generating leads of people without selling to people is not going to be effective. And so what you need to do is you need to learn how to get people to go from interested to purchasing with you. And that's what we do inside of my Wealthy Coach Academy program, is we show you how to take people from interested to purchasing with you. We help you dial in all of the aspects of generating leads, getting clients, using AI to produce the results that you want. Each week, we walk you through step by step a different aspect of your business, live, as well as we have a number of pre-recorded classes and courses that you can take. Go jump in, check out one of the links in the description below. We'll see you in there. Talk soon.